Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention for just a moment, we want to go over the important safety features of this Boeing 737-700. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt needs to be worn low and tight about your hips and worn anytime you're seated. Now, we got 6 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. There's a safety information card located in the seat back pocket nearest you. Trust me, take a look at it. I mean the card. Now, if needed, there is a life vest located underneath your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap, remove the vest from the container, place it over your head, wrap that strap around your waist, and buckle it in the front. Pull on the strap. Now, once outside the aircraft, pull down on that red inflation handle to inflate your vest and just manually inflate flow into the tube at your shoulder. Alright guys, your flight attendants are walking the walk and strutting the stuff to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray tables and seatbacks are in full upright and lock position, and all your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you.